All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Professor illWill, William Taylor, CEO of New Wave Coaching. Back again, we are on the Michigan Mastermind channel. Today, I want to talk to you guys about a very important concept to me, and I really hope that you guys can get value from this. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is the power of planning and planning your work and working your plan. Bottom line, I see a lot of people who, they're going through life and they're just kind of going through life free flow, like that surfer guy or that skater guy, just on the beach bumming, and they're just kind of going wherever life takes them. And that's cool. It's cool to have a life like that. But, if you got big dreams, if you got big plans, you want to be out there somewhere, you got to start somewhere, and you got to really, tit for tat, plan it out, If you're trying to save money, you got to see where those dollars are going. How much money am I actually making? How much money am I actually spending? So that way, by the end of the year, you can say, hey, my goal was to save $10,000. I hit it, or maybe I hit above that, versus, oh man, that person who's like, I just want to save money. I don't really have a particular amount of money in mind. I'm not tracking my expenses and this type of thing. You want to be meticulous about planning your life, just like you would do a budget of your money, of your income. You want to be budgeting your time and budgeting, what you're going to put your time and your energy into. So, I see a lot of people who are out there just kind of going wherever life takes them. And I just really want to encourage you to, sit down and really plan what it is that you want to do. What are your goals? What are your dreams? What can you do in a year if you actually spent the time doing the things that are required to get you there, So just an example for me, hey, I want to be on YouTube. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be a fitness influencer. So I've sat down. I have to go in there and figure out ways to spend my time that are going to get me closer to reaching that goal. That's going to be editing. I'm going to have to spend time editing. I'm going to have to spend time recording, shooting videos like I'm doing right now. So I just really want to encourage you to get a tool, get a planner. This is a really dope planner, Freedom Life Mastery, and you can look at it. Sunday is a really good day for me today, and I'll just go in there and I will plan, and I'll use the time blocks, man. I'll time block out everything. I'll plan out everything in the day. Things don't go exactly as planned, but waking up first thing in the morning, I say, hey, what are 3 things that I need to get done today? Maybe that's drafting some content. I need to cook some food. I need to write some RSS for the podcast, a description. So, this is a very good tool. It's gonna help you to strategize and meticulously move you closer to your goal, push you towards your goal, so that way you can have something that's going to hold you accountable. Because it's very easy, if you don't have any plans, you wake up, maybe way later, you've slept in a long time, somebody calls you, hey bro, we need you to help us move some furniture, you have a truck. Oh, all right, sure, I guess I'll help them. Before you know it, the day's done, you haven't shot a video, you haven't recorded a song, you haven't put out a poem or whatever it is that you're planning on working on. So I just really want to encourage you guys to start planning your day. Use a planner. You can use this one. This one's really great, man. This is life coaching in a box, man. This planner has changed my life. There's a lot of good stuff in there. Vibrational tone scales, emotional scales, and a lot of good stuff that are going to help you get your mindset into the right place so that you can really go for this process of manifestation. We want to manifest things into our life, and this is going to be a great tool to keep you on track towards that. So with that, all I can say is plan your work and work your plan. William Taylor, New Wave Coaching, and I'm going to sign out. You guys make sure to subscribe, like, share, and we're going to see you in the next one. Peace.